Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Technique Thursday. How's your day? Here in the studio, it's a hot one. Oh my gosh, in Canada, it's either snowing or it's really hot, and we don't have a lot of days here where we need air conditioning, but today is one of them, and I told Hubs, I gotta turn off the air conditioning, I have to shoot a video, because I just have a window unit and it's right behind me here in the studio, so very loud. So there, that's what's going on with my day. I'm so excited for this page kit. Honest to goodness, one of our lovely members wrote to me and said, could we have a cheerleader? And I went, that's a great idea. So here we have our cheerleader. So what I'm going to do today is I'm working in Psalm 86 verses 9 and 10, which says, all the nations you have made will come and worship before you, Lord. They will bring glory to your name. For you are great and do marvelous deeds. You alone are God. So God is worth cheering for. And this is my KJV Bible. It's my journaling Bible, but I loved the pages. I can't say enough. Like, they're thick. They're not those really thin pages. And if you haven't seen it before, it's got this really cool cover you can color, which of course yet still haven't done, right? So we're going to work with gelatos today. So I've got my clear gesso out, and I'm not sure if I'm going to stamp or not, so I want to have that option of having my page prepped. So I'm just using the Art Basics clear gesso. I believe this one is Prima. So I'm going to just do a couple coats here, give it a dry. I put a little Ranger craft mat down in between because sometimes I gesso everything, right? Yeah, right. I know, I'm crazy. So we're just going to do 2 light coats, and the trick with gesso is not doing it all in one way. To cover your page, go sideways, and it also helps not wrinkle your page if you do it in different directions. And that way too, you cover, you know, all those spots that you might have missed. And I see my little studio light is making this very shiny, so it's good for me to see where I've missed. You're probably going, Lynn, over to the right, over to the left. Yeah, because, you know, I do forget. I do things sometimes that I miss steps. And I really want to coat this well because with the gelatos don't move very well on just plain paper, but they do move well on gesso. So let's give that a dry with the old heat tool, add one more coat, and then we are good to go. I already see a little spot here where I've missed. I need to go right along the page here. So how is your day? It is officially summer, I think, here where I live in Canada. Yay for summer! But a heat wave. Oh my gosh. So I'm talking to Margaret the other day on Messenger, and I'm just laughing because here when it gets to like 30 degrees Celsius, we have this like huge heat warning in effect, and it's so funny because, you know, you ladies that live in Arizona, Oklahoma, you know, all those warm southern states, gosh, every day is a heat wave for you guys. Do you have a heat warning every day? Like, stay inside, don't go outside. So I run outside in the morning and I water my flowers, and then I hide in the studio with all the curtains closed and the air conditioning on for the rest of the day. My poor little puppy last night, Jax, he was so hot, and I keep forgetting that we have like a hide-a-bed in our basement. And so we could easily just go and sleep down there. The poor boy, he was panting so hard, he was shaking the whole bed. He's so big. So crazy, my little pup. Okay, so we're just going to put that to the side and get that done. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, this cheerleader page was a last minute. I made it in one day. It was kind of crazy because I got the idea or the suggestion and I went, yeah, we can do that. And I'm panicking because I'm going, the sale starts tomorrow. The sale starts tomorrow. I got to do this. And I'm really trying really hard not to work on Sundays and observing the Sabbath. But, you know, for me, designing isn't work. It's fun. Like, I really, really enjoy it. So, you know, there's a difference, I guess. Like, I love to garden too. So if I garden on a Sunday, I don't think that's work. But Nikki and I keep saying that we're going to, you know, of course not close Etsy because Etsy can be open all the time. But, you know, maybe take the day off from, you know, answering questions and stuff like that and just spending, you know, some family time. So we have, she is a cheerleader for Jesus. I picked out 3 gelatos. What's this one called? Aqua Dolce. This looks like a fun color. Bubblegum and metallic mint. Now, I had bought these ladies for my 100 days of Bible journaling. And you know what happened? Then I ended up just doing the stickers, right? So I'm just going to put a little dab of this. We can always add more. So I'm just doing this. And hopefully my camera is going to cooperate because I did change the battery. So let's do that. Maybe a little more pink. I may need more, I may need less. I don't know. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is spray it with my little mister bottle and get it really wet, and then move it around with my fingers and kind of blend them together and just get them moving along. And I have the baby wipe just in case things aren't going well. Oh, it's okay, puppies. Shush! Shush, it's okay. Grandma's shooting a video. Shush! We're not getting much color up at the top, so I think I might just grab this darker gelato and get some of that in there. Now it looks really stripy, right? So this is working well with my finger. You could probably add, you know, more water into it, and we could tuck, you know, just do it this way and get that color moving. If you pick up the page, it's gonna just go and do its thing. Dee Dee, Dee Dee, shh, shh. Okay, pups. You know what we had the other day at my house? We had these ducks, like a mama duck and all her baby ducks, and she was just cruising. She was cruising down the street, and she was on my front lawn with all her babies. The puppies were going wild, like completely out of control wild. They did not like Mama Duck. I'm not too crazy about the stripes, so I'm gonna try and put more pink. And this is always an experiment, right, guys? So it's kind of turning purple, but we know that the 2 colors are going to blend and make a different color. So that's kind of cool, but I just didn't want the stripes going through there. So let's get the muddy mess off. And maybe this little bit is not moving. And just really dry it. I added a lot of water onto this page, so it's going to take a moment to dry. And if you don't like it, you can definitely just wipe it up with a baby wipe. No worries. And gelatos are soft, so, you know, they're good for pages. I just wanted a fun little background for this one. Nothing too intense. Somehow, like in my journals, I love to do wild mixed media backgrounds and stamping and stenciling and all kinds of things. But in my Bible, I tend to really keep the backgrounds like simpler. And I don't know if it's because it's right in the Bible or it's just what I prefer in my Bible. I don't know. I really don't know. It's just, I guess, a different medium for me. A Bible and a journal is 2 very different things, I guess, in my brain. Okay, so there we go. Done. So nice and marbly. Ooh, I like that. So now basically is just putting on our stickers. So I'm going to use these girls. I printed these on the white sticker paper. So, and I'm going to put the girls on first to make sure I can get the banner right over their heads, and I'm going to tuck them as far down the page as I can. When I design, I have a little blank page in my software that I use to try to scale elements so that they do fit on pages. So she is going to go over here. Our two girls. I just love them. They're so cute, these little cheerleaders. And Hubs, he was laughing at me when I was writing Team Jesus on their sweaters. He comes upstairs and he's like, really? Team Jesus? And I go, yeah, isn't it cute? She's a cheerleader for Jesus. And I can't wait for Nikki to get back from holidays so I can show her too, because I just think I'm so genius, right? We had this chat yesterday in the group, right, Lana? And we were like, yeah, Lynn can get a little crazy sometimes, but... Now let's see, we should be able to pick up the stickers. Another good thing about using gesso is that you can, you know, get those stickers off, because sometimes that just doesn't work well for me. And I don't want to cover, there we go. I don't want to cover up Jesus. So then my next word would be cheerleader. And I'm going to, I did this on the white sticker paper because I wasn't sure if I wanted to layer or what I wanted to do. And it was funny because doing a cheerleader, and in Canada, we do not have cheer teams like you guys do in the United States. Like our cheerleaders, nah, not so great. I mean, they're good, but they're not the quality of what you guys do. Like it's insane what you guys do with cheering. It's so fun. I watch it on TV all the time. So I'm talking and trying to read all at the same time. How's that working? Look, it all fit. Yay, Lynn. She is a cheerleader for Jesus. Okay. And now, what do you think of these little tabs? I thought these tabs were so adorable. And so I'm going to put them on, and then I need a word, but I haven't decided what word I want to use yet. So I think I will use, should I use the pink or the green? Ooh, I kind of think I may like the green this time. So put that on this side, and this on this side. And this one still has some paper on it, so we'll take that off. And try to line them up best we can, because they are going to be really sticky. Okay, that's, well, it's not perfect, but it's close. So I just need a word for that. And then I think I'm done. I'm not sure. Maybe let's rip some washi up and just stick it here on the sides, maybe. Oh yeah, that's cute. Maybe some up there. Oh, that's kind of cute. And maybe we'll just put this one like right there. And I could do the same with the green one as well. And again, I used white sticker paper with and cut it out with the scan and cut. I will leave a link for the sticker paper that I use down below in the description, so just look down there, well, that way, and you will see, you can click the more button and you will see more with the what do you call it, more the supplies. Gosh, I can't even think. See, I'm getting old. I don't like that there. I think I'm gonna move it over here. Okay, that's kind of cute. So another really, you know, kind of simple page that doesn't take long, and that's what it's about, is having the pages so that you can spend time in the Word, but also you're not stressing about the art part of everything. And that's very important to us, is that we spend time in the Word, and our art brings this to life. I hope when I go and I highlight this verse that people are going to read it and went, oh, I get it, cheerleader for Jesus. So it's, you know, it's important to me to do that. And I love how you guys do it across 2 pages. I never ever think to do 2 pages unless I really plan ahead. So thank you all for joining me. I'm so excited to play with these, and I love your ideas. So if you have an idea, please share with me. Everyone have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in Praise and Pray. If you haven't joined our Facebook group, come join us. So much fun. All right, everyone, have a great day. God bless.